Welcome back to Tech Tricks. So the first video, you know how to have this kind of image sequence from Google Earth Studio. So in this video I will be showing how to have this kind of video from AE, After Effects. So let's move on to the After Effects. I have opened Adobe After Effects. So you need to go File, Scripts, Run Script File. So go to the file you have download. This is the file, and you want to open JSX file. So I'm going to open. So my image sequence have opened, so I will play. So you can have a radar mark, other text, images from After Effects, and after done everything, go file, export, add to render queue. This window will be there. Check this settings. In this case I am okay with AVI. So if you want, you can change, free to change this whole thing. Okay, and go to select a file, save, render. This rendering type will be depend on your output file type. So if you want animation type, it will take a long time than this AVI kind of video. This is my AVI file. So you can edit furthermore using Adobe Premiere Pro video editing software. Thank you.